Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to Maedae in the kitchen. I'm Maedae, and today we are making some cottage cheese pancakes. That sounds really, really gross to me, but we're gonna do it anyways. I've never had them. I honestly would probably see it somewhere and never want to try it, but we are going to try it today. So this recipe comes from Food Every Day, Fresh Flavor Fast. Fresh Flavor Fast. Say that 5 times fast. Fresh Flavor Fast. Fresh Flavor Flash. Fresh Flavor Flash. Fresh Flavor Flash. Flash. Alright, if you guys want to see more of this, be sure to hit that like button down below. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you guys can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Also, be sure to check out my Instagram. I post behind the scenes like today. You guys get a sneak peek of what I am doing today and things throughout my normal week. What am I doing with my life? Who knows? You'll know if you check out my Instagram. So go. Well, with all that said, let's get cooking. Cottage cheese pancakes. Ugh. Growing up, cottage cheese was a savory thing for me. We would have it with our dinner, we would put salt and pepper on it, and that was my cottage cheese. I know many people take cottage cheese and they'll put fruit with it and stuff like that, and it can be like a sweet thing for people. I've never had that, so to me, something sweet with cottage cheese is very foreign and sounds really weird. But we're gonna try it. I need to mix all my dry ingredients and then I'm going to add in my wet ingredients. So let's get that going. I lost a measuring cup. Oh, it's right here. There's my measuring cup. Oh no, I cracked my eggs. Oh no, that was not smart. Let's just take my eggs and just do those now since I already cracked them. I need to just get the egg whites. Well, that was unexpected, but I have my eggs for later. Everything's crazy already. Haven't even started. Oh my gosh. That's probably why I keep it in the bag, because the flour gets everywhere. 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar. Oh, honey. What was it? 1 tablespoon. 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. 1, 2, 3, 4 teaspoons. Now I'm gonna whisk away. Whisk. Ooh, good. Okay. Good. Stir in the cottage cheese. I got some probiotic, low-fat cottage cheese. Won't come out. 2/3 milk. Milk or milk? Milk. Who cares? I don't. But I know some people do. I say milk, not milk. And that'll frustrate many people. 2/3 cup of milk. Egg whites, 2 large egg whites. Oh god, I almost dropped it. And a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh. Whisk away. This is gonna make 8 pancakes? I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna put all this away and be back. In this cookbook, it's really cool because it'll have like a main dish and then it'll have like the recipe for something that'll go with it. So in here they put a rhubarb compote. At the time, didn't know that a local store provided rhubarb, and rhubarb is kind of expensive, so I just got raspberries. So I'm gonna make a raspberry compote, and it wants the compote, whatever fruit that you choose, it wants it to go on immediately after, you know, it's been served. And compote takes about 15 to 20 minutes to make, so I'm going to make that right now, and then I will be making the pancakes alongside so that they will finish all at the same time. We're gonna make the compote, and we need to go over to my stove to do that. Come on over here, we need to go over here to the stove. So this compote, I'm going to put 2 cups of raspberries. I need a 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to use honey as my sweetener, and I only need, this is taking forever. Oh my heavens, that's annoying. I'm just gonna, sure. That's about 3 tablespoons. I'm putting it at medium-high heat, and I'm just waiting for it to like start bubbling, and then I'm gonna stir it, and then I just let it sit for a while. It is bubbling, so I need to stir it constantly for 1 to 2 minutes. Just stirring, stirring. Now I reduce it to a low simmer, and I let it simmer for 10 minutes. Now, if y'all saw last time I worked with berries, I think it was blueberries last time, but this splashes everywhere. So I think I'm gonna put a little lid on it because I don't want it to splash everywhere.
Starting now.
10 minutes, I will be back. My timer has gone off, and I guess it's ready. It's not very thick though, so maybe it's just like a mild thing. I don't know. I'm gonna set it over here on that one, put the lid on it, and then I'm going to cook my pancakes. Here is my pancake mix and some oil. It said a 1/4 cup per pancake, so that's what I'm going to do. How do you know it's ready? Ah, how cute. Oh, it wasn't even cooked on the other side. Hurry up. I don't need this per se. Now for the real deal. 1/4 cup. Oh, those are tiny little pancakes. Oh, it smells like it's burning. I don't know. That's so ugly. Oh my gosh, what did I do? What's that thing they always say? First pancake's always the worst. Well, that is true. I just don't know if it's cooked all the way. You can tell I don't make pancakes on a regular basis. Is there another saying that says the second pancake is also bad? Because it's bad. Just gonna leave it alone. Leave it alone. Ooh! Y'all catch that? Ah. Just gonna leave it alone. Remember, we're leaving it alone. I'm so impatient. Okay. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yes, 3rd pancake is looking sharp. Alright, I'm gonna make the rest of them, and then I'll meet you back over there. Well, I'm done making my pancakes, and I am about to eat them. This thing looks kind of weird. It's the raspberry compote that makes it look interesting, but I'm still going to cut it up and try it. Ah, it's some Nutella on there. I am ready to try this. Here we go. That was a big bite. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna try again because this actually is really good. And I don't know if it's the pancake or just the Nutella. Some of the pancake is like still crispy, and ooh, I love me some crispiness. The pancake is good. Okay, now it's time to be honest. I don't eat pancakes, I eat waffles. So it's hard for me to compare this because I don't normally eat pancakes in general. Also, I'm a savory person. I like savory foods, sweet foods sometimes, but not all the time. This is bomb. But like if I was at a restaurant, I think I would order something savory like eggs and hash browns or something. But this is delicious. Too many layers. This is so good. But I think I'm gonna save the rest for my husband. He can have a try of it. Overall, it was a great recipe. You guys should try it out. The cottage cheese, I can barely tell that it's there. So I just wonder how it compares to a normal pancake. But it's super good, and I bet the cottage cheese, I know cottage cheese is healthier for you. So it probably adds an element of healthiness as far as what's in cottage cheese. Hold on. The cottage cheese does make it healthier. It has a lot of nutrients in it, and it's a staple food for if you want to lose weight or gain muscle. So this is a healthier breakfast for sure than maybe just normal pancakes and syrup. Oh right, I just need to stop talking. Okay. We are done. Thank you so much for joining me, Mayday in the kitchen. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye.